right, so what I wanted, so I've done some screening, right? I've had her go up, and I have an idea, and I've had her go down, all right? So we want to make sure, right, that the table doesn't block our motion, so we want to make sure she's off far enough, all right, so the table doesn't block our motion. All right, so I have an idea of what she has, motion-wise. So like I said, I'd typically be on this side, but since we're recording, I'll put it on this side. So I want to go at the triquetrum, is where my fulcrum is going to be. All right, and then I'm going to be in the midline of the ulna, and then I'm going to be in the midline of the fifth metacarpal, and then I can have her flex. All right, and I know that, you know, that's pretty close to 90, so if I get around 90 or 87, oh, she's doing good. All right. Okay, and remember, I don't want to follow her fingers, right? So I would just want to stay on that fifth, and she's got 90, which is very good. All right, and then I can have her come up. All right. So again, on the triquetrum. All right. Now I might have to go a little bit parallel. Okay. I'm not going to be right over. I may not be right over her fifth metacarpal. I may be parallel to it, because if I stay on her triquetrum, all right, be pretty close. Right. And okay, good. So I know she doesn't have 105, right? I know she has 70. Okay, because she's not going past 90. So I have two numbers there, so she's got 70. All right, good. And then with ulnar deviation and radial deviation, so we put her hand flat on the table. All right, we can check her motion. Just have her go out, good, and go in. Okay, good. I see she's got more ulnar deviation than radial deviation, which is good. I find that little kind of cavity, you know, that little indentation right there. I know that's her capitate, where her capitate is. So I put my fulcrum over that. My proximal arm is in the midline of her forearm, and then my distal is along her third metacarpal, and then I have her ulnarly deviate. I don't want to follow her fingers, because if I follow her fingers, right, it goes way out. I want to stay, here's her fifth metacarpal right here. So if I stay in the middle of that, we have 30 degrees of ulnar deviation, and then we want to go radially deviate. And she's got almost 15, about 13 degrees.